Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ThemeForest for branded website templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the ThemeForest website by entering the URL in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top. Type website templates into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the displayed options to find templates that suit your brand. When you find a template you like, click on its thumbnail to view more details. Take a moment to review the template's features, responsive design, and user ratings. If you decide to purchase, locate the Add to Cart button and click it. A small pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to either continue shopping or proceed to checkout. If you are ready to complete your purchase, click Proceed to Checkout. You will be prompted to log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. To create an account, fill in the necessary details like your email address and password. After registering, log in to your new account. Continue through the checkout process by entering your payment information. Be sure to review your order summary before finalizing the purchase. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Now you can go back to your account and download your chosen website template. Locate the download section in your account dashboard. Find your purchase template and click the download button. Choose the file format that best suits your needs. After downloading, extract the zip file to access your template files. Open your preferred web development software and start customizing the template. Follow any included documentation for guidance on how to set up and modify the template. Your branded website is now ready to be built using your new ThemeForest template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.